Hello friends, Leanna here. So if you watched my Allure unboxing in that video, I said I would give away the 111 Skin Y Day Cream. It's valued at $270, I believe. So the giveaway ended today and we're going to pick a winner. I have put in the URL of that video. We're going to filter duplicate users, include replies. We're going to base on a specific text, and you were to use 111 Skin with no space. There were 15, only 15. Y'all have a big old chance of winning. Somebody does. So I'm going to hit start. And we'll get our winner. Good luck. Here we go. Simply You Makeup. Congratulations, V. I just saw you post something on Instagram about how lucky you were, and look at you. You've now won a $270 111 Skin product. Her comment says, nice box, love the liner. The cat is so cute. I have the 111 Skin Eye Serum and I am loving it. I must check to see if it have a scent. So there we go. V, you've got 48 hours to contact me. If you will contact me before 8 p.m. on Sunday to claim your gift and give me your address so I can get that in the mail to you. The best way to contact me is via Instagram. I know you already follow me on Instagram, and I will also have the link to my email down in the description box. So there we go. Once again, congratulations to Simply You Makeup. If you do not follow V, she does the most amazing eye looks. I will put a link to her channel also in the description so you can go check her out. Alrighty, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye.